सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय. Dear friends, now I am commencing chapter 55 of Sai Baba's Satchitra. Shyama came to Gaya along with his friend Jatha. They stay in a choultry away from the Gaya town. Both Shyama and Jatha got down the train at Gaya station in the midnight. They went to a choultry nearer to the station to spend that night there, and with the intention to offer oblations to the deceased person at Gaya in the morning. Before Shyama started his journey to Benares, Baba told him that I will reach Gaya before you come there and I will meet you at Gaya. Shyama is thinking as to how he will meet Baba at Gaya. The choultry is busy with the pilgrimage and there is no sufficient place even to sit. While Shyama and Jattar are in the train and they are about to reach Gaya, somebody is talking that there is plague in the Gaya town. Shyama is very much afraid on hearing the news and told to himself, knowing fully well that Baba's feet itself are Ganga and Yamuna, why should I come all the way to Gaya for a dip in Ganges? Who is going to help us if we become the victims of plague here? Baba told to us that he will meet us at Gaya. Had we see Baba now, he is going to save us from plague. Shyama thought like that. Actually, when Nana Chandorkar and Kaka Saheb Dikshit invited Baba for the marriage of Chandorkar's son at Gwalior and Dikshit's son for marriage at Nagpur, Baba told to them to take Shyama with them. Baba also told to Shyama, you go and visit Kashi and Prayaga and then come to Gaya. I will meet you there. Shyama is very much afraid of hearing plague in Gaya and expecting Baba's help at that juncture. A priest came to the choultry and told to all pilgrims that there is no plague now. Those who want to offer oblations may come along with me, the priest said. Then Shyama and Jattar started for oblations along with the priest. The Panda, that is the priest, took both of them to his house first. Shyama was very much astonished to see Sai Baba's big photo on a wall in Panda's house. Tears came out from Shyama's eyes on seeing Baba's photo in Panda's house. Shyama told to himself, Oh Baba, what a surprise! How can your words be wrong? You said that you will meet us in Gaya. This is the direct evidence. Lacking faith in your words, I am puzzled over this plague disease. Shyama fell before Baba's photo with tears in his eyes. The Panda came and having seen Shyama weeping, told to Shyama, why are you weeping? I told you there is no plague now. Leave all fear. I am not for money to take you to oblations if plague exists there. Then Shyama told to Panda, you are the real Bhakta of Baba, whereas I lack faith in Baba's words and began doubting whether Baba comes to my rescue. Immediately Panda told to Shyama, on hearing your words, I learned that you are true devotees of Sai Baba. I am only an ordinary person. Do not praise me much. Now tell me what is your name, your village, how you learn to worship Sai Baba with so much devotion. Then Jattar told to Panda, Panda is the priest. He is Shyama, a true and a strong devotee of Sai Baba. We are from Shirdi. When we started to this place, Shirdi Natha, Sai Baba, told to us that he will reach Gaya before our arrival to this place. Now Shyama realized the truth in Baba's words when he saw Baba's photo in your house. After hearing Jattar's words, Panda said, My house becomes sacred with the footsteps of Sai devotees. Please accept our services. Later we go to offer oblations with Ganga water. Shama also questioned Panda. Please tell me how you also came in contact with Sai Baba. You are in Gaya. Baba is in Shirdi. I am interested to know when and how Baba in this form of photo came to your house. Then Panda told to Shama, please hear the story of mine and Baba's photo, which will remove fear and give victory to you. This is the end of chapter 55. Om Sai Sri Sai Jai Jai Sai.